reasons to switch to fiber internet for faster speeds. Are you tired of sluggish internet speeds and unreliable connections? Fiber internet may be the solution you've been searching for. With its rapid expansion across the country, fiber internet is becoming increasingly accessible. Here are 4 reasons to consider making the switch. Faster speeds. Fiber internet offers speeds up to 8 Gbps, outpacing cable and 5G providers. AT&T Fiber, Frontier, and G-Fiber already provide multi-gig speeds in various cities. While cable companies are upgrading their networks, fiber remains the faster choice. Symmetrical upload and download speeds. Unlike cable, fiber typically provides symmetrical speeds, ensuring seamless online gaming, streaming, and large downloads. A gigabyte fiber plan can deliver around 940 Mbps down and up. No pricey modem rentals. Fiber simplifies equipment needs with an optical network terminal and an off-the-shelf Wi-Fi router. Many providers offer the ONT free of charge, giving you the freedom to upgrade your router. TV subscription alternatives. Don't let cable TV tie you to your internet provider. Streaming services like YouTube TV, Sling, and Fubo offer flexible, cost-effective alternatives. Additionally, fiber provides lower latency, reliability, and consistency, which has been increasing internet demands and enhancing online performance. Fiber also improves streaming quality, making it perfect for streamers and remote workers. If you're tied to your cable provider for TV, consider alternatives. Streaming services like YouTube TV, Sling, and Fubo offer flexible, cost-effective options. You can access services on devices like smart TVs, tablets, phones, and gaming consoles without needing specific hardware.